Using the discussion forum in D2L. Once again, we are at the D2L homepage. I will be using the Administrative Leadership Support site to illustrate the changes in the discussion forum of D2L. Once you come into the course page, you find yourself on the news page, and what you need to do first is to click on the discussions tab. Over here you can see different topics for discussion, like the personal introduction, which gives you a small write-up on what can be posted over here. For example, you're introducing yourself, your hobbies, and other things. Q&A is where you seek help from the program coordinator or graduate assistant on a variety of issues. APA questions will be questions that you have related specifically to APA citation styles. So these are the different topics that you find in this discussion forum. For different courses, you will have different topics, but how to use them remains the same. As an example, I'm going to be using the personal introduction topic over here. If you notice now, we have 0 unread, 0 posts, and 8 views. That means that I have no new messages. There have been no posts. There are no posts in this topic, and this topic has been viewed by me 8 times. To add a new message, I click on personal on the topic, which takes me to this page. When you want to create a new message, you always click on compose. It opens a new window, and over here you can compose the message that you want. We begin with the subject. Remember to give a title that is relevant to what you're posting and gives the reader an idea of what they will see within this posting. So for me, it would be a personal introduction. And I add my name as well, so people know whose introduction it is. And then I can type in any content that I want. D2L also gives you the flexibility to attach pictures to this particular discussion post. So I want to attach my picture there. I set up my cursor over here. Click on Insert an Image, which pulls up our Insert Image screen. You can upload any file from your computer, which means that you can choose it, or you can drag and drop a file. So I'm going to find a file on my desktop. This is my JPEG file and I want it loaded, so I drag it and I drop it. And the file has been uploaded. Once I have uploaded the file, I click on Done. It will always ask me for an alternative text, and the picture is now included in my message. Once I'm happy with how the message looks, I click on Post. And the message now appears. So it's been authored by Anita Samuel, and the message is hello with the picture. So the message itself is completely visible over here. It does say more actions. If I were to click on more actions, you will see other options over here. This delete option is available only for messages. Delete and edit, are available only for messages that you have personally composed. If you're happy with this message, you do not need to delete it. I would like to reply to this message, hence I click on reply. You can click on reply over here, or alternatively, you also have reply here. By clicking on the reply button, it opens a new window for you. All replies will have an RE appended to the original subject line. You can choose to leave this as it is, or you can change it to whatever you want to. Make your reply, and as always, you will click on Post. Again, you can insert a table, you can insert a text, but this is the most basic of things that you need to do. When you click on Post, the reply is now here. You can't see it till you scroll down. And there's my reply. If you notice, it is indented to show that it is a reply. you can continue to add replies to this. And that is how you use the new discussion tab. It is very similar to the old discussion forum that we had in D2L. It just looks a little different.